Introducing the 2012 Subaru Outback. This four-door, five-passenger wagon leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.